how to fix Instagram and Facebook contacts. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our profile icon, click on these three lines on the upper corner. Now we just have to go to Account Center. Once we're on Account Center, all we have to do is to click on Sharing Across Profile. Now let's tap on our Instagram, and let's say this profile right here is my Facebook account. So all I have to do is toggle this on and make sure that my account is sharing to this Facebook account. Now once that's done, all we have to do is to go back. And once we go back, all we have to do is to tap on this button right here. It lets us discover people, and all we have to do is to tap on See All. Once we click on that, we just have to click on Sync Your Profile Info to find your Facebook friends. So we'll be able to see the Instagram account of our Facebook friends. So that's how to fix Instagram and Facebook contact.